But my hair is laid, people. I am Leshiba. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey. But I'm trying to slick my hair down. Have a ponytail. I'm not quite sure how that's gonna work, how that's gonna look on me, but my attempt is to get this baby laid. So here we go. So I'm gonna work in sections. I'm gonna try and do the back. I have my edge booster right in my hand, rub it up. I'm gonna apply it to the back section of my hair. Smooth it in. I'm gonna get the focus is really the back of the hair. Then I'm gonna have a scrunchie. I hold it in with the scrunchie. I think my goal should be to saturate my hair with product. I think I need to wear more protective styles, or else I'm going to literally cut my hair off. Now the top piece, I'm going to try to get the top piece in, but I think it's too big. I think I'm biting way too much off here. I need to section this baby and get another section of the center now in the ponytail. So much down my hair. Oh, this is working out. Oh, I almost look brand new. I almost look laid. Hold up. Hold up, I see light at the end of the tunnel. I have a ponytail. A tiny baby one. But I have a ponytail. I have a ponytail. Let me not get ahead of myself and get to it. Yo, it's possible. It is possible. Bing, 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 bing. This is possible. No. Oh my goodness. Hey, take time with me. Don't forget fuzzy up on the end, don't it? We can't leave it so. I'm gonna plait this baby here back. I can't plait it. Can it be plait? Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. Can't say here a plait. Lord of your ponytail. Oh, good Lord. Can't say a ponytail plait, girl. Uh-oh. Bing, bing, bing. Huh. Now I'm going to put some Eco Styling Gel on top. My arms are tired for sure. I'm going to get my head scarf, tie my hair down, and then I'm going to come back with ponytail and maybe baby hair again. Who knows? Come on, I'm impressed. I want to go somewhere. You know what, Target, here I come. Well guys, I used the edge booster and a little of the Eco Styler. I used that just to put on top of the edge booster, I guess, to just seal everything in. Well guys, this is how I laid my hair down with the edge booster and the eco styler gel. I'm gonna grab my afro and I'm gonna get my hair all laid. Okay guys, I am back. I tied my hair down, so I believe it's all set. Not really all set, but it's set enough. Put some lip gloss on, put some highlighter on my face, brush my eyebrows up, put some mascara on. That's it. Now I'm gonna go from 0 to hero. So my head tie is off. Hallelujah. And now I'm gonna stick it in. Hopefully it to the comb that's in it. So I'm gonna stick the comb in. At the bottom, I'm gonna stick it in. And there's a drawstring underneath. I'm not going anywhere, so I'm just gonna do that. Pull this in, tuck it in, fluff the hair a little. I could do more with it, right? We can do more with it. Man. So basically, that's how I do it. I'm so proud of myself. Oh my god. No, like seriously, I'm really, really proud of myself for doing this. And I have my lip gloss on. I have my dimples in because I'm smiling. Okay. Guys, my name is Kesia and I approve this message. Thank you guys so much for watching. And you saw what I did. It was, my arms were tired, but my hair is laid, people. I am LAKEY. Yeah, when you have hair, you just feel different. You feel brand new. I'm not staying inside with this bomb hair, dude. No way, Jose. I'm going out. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, if you like to see me try like the side parts, give me a thumbs up. And if you don't like this video, still give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification, I guess, whenever I do upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. And me and my LAKEY says